There's another major winter storm going on in New England right now and extending thereabouts from New York. It's lake effect snow, part of it, from Lake Erie, Lake Ontario area, Erie, Pennsylvania, and Buffalo, New York, as you can see on the left side of your screen here. A lot of heavy snow south of Buffalo, and then there's a band extending through the center of New York State, across the Thruway and Albany, and then getting into New England here with southern Vermont and just the top there of Massachusetts. Then you can see there's a lot of heavy snow up in Maine above Portland, and there's heavy snow around the Massachusetts Bay, which is the Boston area. And all of this is basically skirting around the metropolitan New York area, so they're not seeing anything except, let's go, this is 24-hour snowfall. Let's look at 2 days accumulated. And New York just got a touch of snow, like in Westchester County, the Connecticut areas. 3-day totals, let's look at that. So there's a huge amount of snow accumulating, looks like just above Syracuse and this area here to the east of the lake. That's the Tug Plateau. And then we have the past week totals. Really a lot on the coast of Maine. And again, I said the Tug Plateau going up towards Canada. This map, unfortunately, doesn't show Canadian totals. And this is Wonder Map from Wunderground. And it would be nice to get some more information and not stop at the border. That's so artificial. We're going to look at some other information. Hold on a second. Let's get this off. Check out weather.com, which is Weather Channel. And I've got it on here for Boston. 17 degrees right now in the morning during rush hour. It's snowing, and they're saying that it could be about 19 inches of snow. Some people are saying 2 foot of snow on top of what's already on the ground. So it's looking like a very snowy winter for New England. Especially about Boston, where most of the people live. I would think that goes true for Providence, Rhode Island. We're going to get to some of the other modalities here. Severe weather, they're showing that coastal turbulence is going on with the waves. Let's look at the satellite picture, which is going to show cloud cover. Sorry, we have to be patient with the internet this morning. Okay, so this is showing you currently where all the cloud cover is, what the satellite is seeing. Completely overcast in most of New England right now. Yeah, up to 19 inches and counting. Now we're on EarthCam, so we're going to look for Boston. Here's Little Italy and Manhattan. Looks like there's some snow on the ground, so they got a dusting. I'm going to look up for Boston right now. You can see all the selections they have. have to do a search. It's a nice picture of Mulberry Street. If you've never been there, I've been there. It's a little quiet corner, kind of. None of the major streets go through Little Italy right away. Right there, but it's divided by Houston Street. Well, I guess this one, Boston University, might show you the best view. There's an alert at the top of the page. Let's take a look and see what it says. Boston University's Charles River Medical Center campuses will be closed Monday, February 9th for the entire day. And that's because of the weather. Let's take a look. Webcams. Well, that's not the webcam. It's just showing you the building. How did I get here? I'm going to try this out. EarthCam and HD, their Boston cam location. Hopefully this comes in. Sorry I didn't have it prepped up for you. Technology is such a new thing for me. I'm being sarcastic. You get what you pay for. This is, wait, can't hardly be the Boston game. What did you? The other one was like a summer picture just to trick you in the beginning, and now we go to the live picture. Check it out. Can we do anything with this? Post it to the Hall of Fame. I can zoom in. Hey, webcam. You mean I'm controlling it remotely? I can barely see the bridge. Well, if you're in Boston right now and you're at home, safe, watching it, comfy, in your warm nest, or whatever you want to call it, your crib, then give us a shout out. Let us know what's going on. Is there anyone out in the streets? Is it possible to go out without suffering? Let us know. I'm going to put in the title so people know. They know it's all about New England and Boston. Like this, Cam. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody.